Now, the big question, can orange grow on rooftop or terrace? Yes, it can. Orange can grow in large pots. Use a deep container. Make sure there is drainage. Place it in full sun. Water carefully. Dwarf orange varieties are best for terraces. With proper care, you can harvest orange even from a rooftop. This is orange grown in my own garden. It is not just a fruit. It is a result of care, patience, and knowledge. Now you know how orange really grows. These oranges are grown in my own backyard. Enjoy its beauty and taste. Now you can say also how to grow multitype oranges right at home, rooftop or backyard. Most orange juice comes from Valencia oranges. The color orange is named after the fruit. Orange peel contains natural oils with a strong smell. Oranges are mostly water, so they help keep the body hydrated. Eating oranges fresh is healthier than drinking packed juice. Thank you for watching.